10 best healthy juices to beat the summer heat. Summer heat can make you feel tired, dehydrated, and low in energy. But instead of drinking sugary soda or artificial drinks, what if you could refresh your body with natural healthy juices that cool you down and boost your energy? In today's videos, I will share the 10 best healthy juices to beat the summer heat naturally. Make sure you watch till the end because juice number 8 is a very powerful natural body cooler. Let's get started. Number 1, cucumber mint juice. Cucumber is 95% water, which makes it perfect for hot weather. It keeps your body hydrated and cool. Mint help refresh your mind and improve digestion. How to make it: blend cucumber, fresh mint leaves, lemon juice, and a little honey with cold water. Perfect drink for instant freshness. Number 2, the watermelon juice. Watermelon is the king of summer fruit. It is full of water, antioxidant, and electrolytes. It prevents dehydration and keep your skin glowing. Just blend fresh watermelons cubes and enjoy. No sugar needed. Number 3, mango pineapple raw mango juice. Raw mango juice is a traditional summer drink. It protects your body from heat stroke and boost energy level. Boiled raw mangoes, remove the plum, mix with mint, black salt, and water. Very cooling and refreshing. Number 4, lemon honey water. Simple but powerful. Lemon water keep you hydrated and improve digestion. It also gives you vitamin C to boost immunity. Mix lemon juice, water, and a little honey. You can add a pinch of salt for electrolysis. Number 5, pineapple juice. Pineapple juice helps to reduce inflammation and support digestion. It is rich in vitamin C and natural enzymes that make you feel light and energetic. Blend fresh pineapples chunks with a little water and ice. Number 6, carrot orange juice. This juice is perfect for skin and energy. Carrot and orange are full of antioxidant and vitamin A, which protect your skin from sun damage. Blend fresh carrot and orange together for a sweet, healthy drink. Number 7, strawberry juice. Strawberries are rich in antioxidant and vitamin C. They help fight sun damage and keep your body cool. Blend strawberries with cold water and a few drops of lemon for extra freshness. Number 8, coconut water with lemon. This is one of the best natural summer drink. Coconut water is full of electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. It keeps you hydrated and prevent weakness. Add a few drops of lemon for extra taste and vitamin C. Perfect for extreme heat days. Number 9, apple mint juice. Apple juice gives natural energy while mint cools the body. These drinks helps reduce tiredness and improve digestion. Blend apple sliced with mint leaves and water, strain and serve chilled. Number 10, tomato juice. Tomato juice is rich in antioxidant like lycopene. It protects your skin from sun damage and supports heart health. Blend fresh tomatoes with a pinch of black salt and lemon juice. Very healthy and refreshing. Extra summer tips: drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Avoid too much sugar in juices. Prefer fresh homemade juices. Drink juices in the morning or afternoon. Avoid drinking heavy juice late at night. Important note: if you have diabetes or any medical condition, consult your doctor before adding fruit juices daily. Always use fresh fruit. Avoid packed juices because they contain added sugar and preservative. Summer's heat can drain your energy, but these 10 healthy juices can keep you cool, hydrated, and active. Choose energy drinks over artificials ones and protect your body from dehydrations and high heat stroke. Your body will thank you. If you enjoy this video, like this video, comment your favorite summer juice, subscribe for more healthy tips and natural remedies. See you in the next video.